Good afternoon and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles Trials of South Africa. So today on the 18th of November 2025, Umalusi Gigaba appeared in court alongside with his co-accused. The charges against them are linked to a multi-billion rand Transnet locomotive tender. This case has now been postponed to the 30th of January 2026. Here's what you need to know. Ukigaba faces one count of corruption. He is joined by former Transnet executives Brian Molefe, Siyabonga Gama, Anoj Singh, and Tamsa Ngajiane. The court handling the case is the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court, but the matter is set to be transferred to the High Court for further proceedings. The allegations relate to Gigaba's time as Minister of Public Enterprises between 2010 and 2014. Authorities claim that during this period, he accepted undisclosed cash payments from the Gupta family, which are deemed corrupt. These payments are linked to Transnet tender for 1,064 locomotives, where regulations were allegedly ignored, costing the state billions of rands. Ukigaba was initially summoned to appear in court on the 7th of November 2025, but he did not appear as he was engaging with investigators. On the 18th of November 2025, he was formally added as the fifth accused in the case and was released on warning, unlike his co-accused who are granted bail. Through his lawyer, Ukigaba maintains his innocence and says he will address the allegations through the court process. This case continues to unfold and we'll keep you updated with every development. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.